Checkpoint 3.6. Write the if statement that increase pay by 3% if the score is greater than or equal to 90. Otherwise, increase pay by 1%. So otherwise means it's else statement. So let's start with the main methods. We need the input, process, output. Okay. So if you look at here, the statement increase pay by 3%. So condition here is say if score greater than or equal to, okay, greater than or equal to 90, then we are increase pay by 3%. So those who remember, we can say pay equal to pay multiplied by 1.03. Okay, else we increase by 1%. Pay multiplied by 1.01. So making sure we can use the score. Score basically here 9, so can be double data type with decimal points. So double score. Let's say default value 0.0. To pay, of course, the pay should be double. Okay, here, okay, that's the one. So if you're familiar with the augmented operator, okay, this can be written in this way: pay, okay, multiplied by equal, and then 1.03. Okay. Eventually, you need to know how to use this statement using augmented operator. Okay, for simple tests, okay, we like to print our pay. So pay. So let's say our pay is 1,000. Okay, the score is, let's say, try with higher than 90. So let's say 95. Okay. So if it's 95, we increase by 3% and we'll print it. Okay, 1,000, sorry, which is 3%. So if we have less than 90, we're going to have increase by 1%. Okay, so here you go, 10,010. Okay, once you get familiar with this, you can use augmented operator. That way, it's exactly the same. So let's try with 95. So here you go, same answer. So for this exercise, you need to know how to use if your condition is true inside. If the condition is false, okay, after else statement here, increase by 1%. Also, it's a good idea to know how to use augmented operator. Okay, instead of saying equal pay multiplied by 1.03, you can say pay multiplied by, okay, 1.03. Also, you can use equal together. That's it. Thank you.